Sarah has twice as many pencils as Tom. Tom has 4 pencils. How many pencils does Sarah have? Wait for a moment. Don't answer just yet. This problem seems easy, right? But guess what? Over 50% of students get this wrong on their first try. We're going to figure out why this simple looking question is actually tricky and how you can make sure you never fall into this trap again. Let's read the problem again carefully. Sarah has twice as many pencils as Tom. Tom has 4 pencils. How many pencils does Sarah have? Seems simple, but when students see the word twice as many, some think they should add, some think they should subtract. Only a few realize this is about multiplication. So, because they feel that, they will come up with these answers. 4 plus 2 equals 6 or 4 minus 2 equals 6. Why do so many students mess this up? Some students are taught that more always means add, so they think twice as many. Oh, I'll just add 2. But that's not what the words actually mean. Let's break down the phrase twice as many. So the word twice, the meaning is 2 times. The word as many, its meaning means compare to another amount. So in other words, twice as many literally means 2 times the amount someone else has. You know what? Let's draw it out. So the question said Tom has 4 pencils. Now, if Sarah has twice as many, we just copy Tom's 4 pencils and do it again. So you will take Tom's amount, which is 4, and Sarah has twice as many as Tom. So it means that you will be multiplying 4 times 2, where Sarah will have a total of 8 pencils. Now, what if the question said Sarah has 8 pencils? That is twice as many as Tom. How many does Tom have? Pause the video and think. Put down your answer in the comment. Let's see if you can understand this word problem. Let's read the question one more time carefully. Sarah has 8 pencils. That is twice as many as Tom. How many does Tom have? So we know Sarah has 8 pencils, and that rephrase as 8 is twice as many as Tom. So it means Sarah has more pencils than Tom. But how many pencils does Tom have? Well, I want to ask you the question, what does twice mean? Twice means 2. It means that we will be dividing 8 divided by 2, which is twice, and we will get the total of 4. So Tom has 4 pencils. Read the question one more time and you will notice that you are doing the opposite. Instead of multiplying, we divide. That's a big hint. Understanding the wording changes how we solve the problem. Now, let's try a few quick ones together. Say your answers out loud or write them down. Let's look at the first problem. I always recommend to read the problem at least 3 times. Let's read the problem carefully. It says, Jack has 3 marbles. Emma has 3 times as many. How many does Emma have? So we know Jake has 3 marbles, right? And Emma has 3 times as many as James. So we will be multiplying 3 times 3, which equal 9 marbles. So Emma has 9 marbles. Now, let me know, did you get this first problem? Perfect. Let's try another one. Let's read the question slowly and carefully. Liam has 12 stickers. That's 4 times as many as Noah. How many does Noah have? So you know that Liam has 12 stickers, but it says that that's 4 times as many as Noah. If you read the sentence, that's 4 times as many as Noah. You are doing the opposite of multiplication, which its division. So you should write this as 12 divided 4. If you divide 12 by 4, you get a total of 3 stickers. So how many does Noah have? Noah has 3 stickers. Now, let me know. Did you get this problem right? Problem number 3. Let's read the question carefully. Amy has 10 candles. Sarah has half as many. How many does Sarah have? Well, we know Amy has 10 candles, and it says that Sarah has half as many. So what do you think? Are we dividing or are we multiplying? In this question, we are dividing, and we are dividing 10 by half, which is we're dividing 10 divided by 2 because Sarah has half of what Amy has, where we will get 5 candles. So Sarah has 5 candles. Now, did you get 3 out of 3? Let me know down in the comments how many did you get right. The 3 golden rules to solving these kinds of questions is that you should never assume more means add, and always remember that twice as many means 2 times the amount. Try to always flip the language. Ask yourself, is it multiplication or is it division? So next time you see a problem like Sarah has twice as many as Tom, just ask yourself, do I need to multiply or divide? If you get tricked before, you're not alone. Math isn't about always being right, it's about learning how to think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.